In this video, we're going to learn how to remove the duplicate items from a list using Python. So first we'll create a list with some duplicate items. We'll have my list and we'll have some duplicate 1s, duplicate 2s, and duplicate 3s. Now the simplest way to do this is to convert this list to a set. A set is another type of data structure in Python which is not allowed to have duplicate items. And simply by converting this list to a set by using the set function here, those duplicate items are going to be removed when the set is created. We could then convert that set back to a list. So here we'll use list to convert the set back to a list. And we'll have here our unique list. And we could output this here with print. So we'll have print and we'll have unique list here and we'll save this and let's try it out. And we get here just the list 1, 2, 3 with the duplicates removed. Now the only issue with this approach is that set is not guaranteed to preserve the order of the items in this list. So if we do want to preserve the order of the items in this list, we can use a different approach. So as of Python 3.7, dictionaries will preserve the insertion order of the items in a list used to create the dictionary using the fromKeys method. So dictionaries are another data structure in Python made up of key value pairs, where each key has to be unique. And if we create a dictionary from our list using the fromKeys method, we'll get a dictionary with keys made up of the unique items of our list, but with the order preserved. So we can just use dict.fromKeys and we'll pass it our list. And this will give us a dictionary with keys from our list here, but only for unique items. Then we can convert this back to a list. So if we have a list here, the keys of the dictionary are going to be made into our new list. And we'll put this here. So we'll have unique list is equal to the result of this. We'll save this and run it. And again, we get the unique items of our list 1, 2, 3. Now we can also solve this problem in a very manual way with a loop in Python. So what we'll do is start off with a unique list that is initially empty. And we'll add to that list only the unique items from our original list. So here we'll have unique list that's going to be empty. Then we'll have a loop go over each item in our original list. So we'll have for item in my list. So this loop is going to run for each item in this list. And we'll check to see if that item is not already in the unique list. So we'll have here if the item is not in the unique list. So if the item is not in the unique list, we've encountered a new unique item. And we'll add it to our unique list. So we'll have unique list.append that item. And that's actually it. Because what's going to happen is the first time we encounter this item here, 1, we'll add it to the unique list because it's not going to be in the list here because it's empty. So we'll add it to unique list. Then the next time we encounter 1, the item is not going to be not in the unique list. It is in the unique list. So this here is going to be false. And we're not going to add that second one to the unique list. And that's basically how it works. So if we save this and give it a try, we'll get here the unique items of our list 1, 2, 3. And so this is how we can remove the duplicate items from a list using Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.